Day 14 is a review day. The goal is to test and stabilize the completed task API before starting the next backend module. Days 8 through 13 improved the task API with cleanup, better responses, completion, reopening, filtering, and search. Day 14 closes this phase. By the end of today, all task endpoints should be tested, the project should build successfully, the README should match the API, progress notes should be updated, and GitHub should be clean. The files to check are Tasks Controller, iTask Service, Task Service, README, and the Progress Notes file. Start by building the project. The expected result is 0 warnings and 0 errors. Then run the API project and open Swagger. Test the CRUD endpoints. Post should create a task with 201. Get all returns 200. Get by ID returns 200 or 404. Put returns 200 or 400. Delete returns 204. Test the workflow endpoints. Patch complete should set is completed to true. Patch reopen should set it back to false. Missing tasks should return 404 with consistent messages. Then test filtering and search. Check completed tasks, incomplete tasks, search by title, and combined filter plus search. Review the README for all endpoints and behavior notes. Then run git status. Commit and push only if files changed. After the review is complete, stop. Do not add user API, do not add SQL Server, do not add EF Core today, and do not redesign the architecture.